Well, let's do one thing now. Let's get the BTST calls from our technical experts, Mitesh and Ashwani now joining us. Ashwani, so again, the dip has been bought. Your thoughts on the index and your stock calls?
See, there is definite, break in momentum. So the dip buying has happened, but I think you want to wait and see because this time around, I think there are some global undertones to this sort of correction. So let's see if the retest of 11,200 fails or succeeds. That would be important. So fairly mild pullback as far as I'm concerned. Individual stocks, Piramal Enterprise sell with a stop of 1500, target of 1440. Tata Steel is a sell with a stop of 354, target of 336. And Manappuram is a buy with a stop of 168, target of 182.
Those are Ashwani's calls. Mitesh, what are you recommending?
I have BTST and Titan with a stop at 1037 for targets of 1060. It's moved up slightly, but on a 5-point dip can be bought, and STBT on Sun TV with a stop at 380 for targets of 370.
Okay, all right, gentlemen, thanks for those calls. Now let's just take in some important commentary that we've got from New Delhi. And this is a voice coming in from the government. The Chief Economic Advisor, Krishnamurthy Subramanian, says uncertainty is expected to lessen on the find for the COVID-19 vaccine, and that may be the right time for a fiscal push as well. While the DIPAM Secretary, Tuhin Kanta Pandey, says that the government is now shifting gears to privatization.
The impact of uncertainty on demand, especially demand for discretionary items. So I will emphasize again that the government will be willing to, is willing to actually do what is necessary in terms of government consumption, but the timing of this is extremely important. And now it seems like now it's a news coming that vaccine may actually not be very far off. Once we have the vaccine, then the uncertainty that people have will really go down significantly. Question is about when. I think the right point would be if some of these, what we are seeing, the vaccines, etc., really come through in the next few months, let's say, and thereby the uncertainty goes down, I think the time would be very right for there to be this then a fiscal push, which will really generate the demand even for discretionary items.
We have completed 8 transactions in the last 3 years, yielding about 66,000 crores. So it's almost like, $8 to $9 billion worth of strategic disinvestment has taken place. But I admit that most of it was within the public sector space. We are shifting now gears into the new territory, and in our view, a very important territory of privatization.